In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to sell furniture on Amazon. By the end, you'll know how to pick the right niche, set up your account, source products, and launch with confidence. Start by narrowing your focus. Instead of trying to sell every kind of furniture, choose a specific category so you can stand out and optimize your listing for a clear customer. Think home office desks, ergonomic office chairs, bookshelves, bed frames, storage cabinets, or pieces designed for small apartments. A helpful tip is to start with lightweight, flat pack items. They're easier to ship, cost less to move, and are less likely to be damaged. Next, validate demand directly on Amazon. Type in your product idea and study the landscape. Look at bestseller rank to gauge sales velocity, scan the number of reviews and pricing to understand competition, and read common complaints to find opportunities. You're hunting for strong demand paired with weak branding, poor photos, or missing details you can improve. Choose your business model. Private label is usually best for long-term profit and control, since you build a brand around manufactured products. Wholesale is simpler, where you buy existing brands in bulk, though margins are often lower. If you build furniture yourself, consider applying through Amazon Handmade to highlight craftsmanship. Register as a seller through Amazon Seller Central and create a professional account. If you're serious about scaling, be prepared to submit government identification, a bank account, tax information, and complete phone verification. The professional plan unlocks the tools you'll need. Find a reliable supplier. You can work with local manufacturers, overseas factories, or a custom carpentry workshop. Before placing a bulk order, request samples, test durability and assembly, and stress test the packaging. Strong packaging dramatically reduces returns and negative reviews. Decide how you'll fulfill orders. Fulfillment by Amazon or FBA is great for smaller items and enables fast prime shipping and higher trust. Fulfilled by merchant or FBM gives you control and is better for large or heavy pieces, custom orders, or when shipping fees are high. Many furniture sellers choose FBM to avoid oversized FBA fees. Create a high-converting listing. Use crisp, high-resolution images, clear dimensions, assembly information, packaging details, lifestyle photos, and simple infographics. A title like Modern 47-inch wooden computer desk with storage shelf, easy assembly, home office table, small space friendly, is descriptive and searchable. Calculate all costs before you launch. Include manufacturing, shipping, Amazon fees, packaging, and advertising. Aim for a 20 to 35% profit margin to stay healthy after promos. Launch with advertising, use sponsored products, add coupons or limited time discounts, and test bundle deals. The first 30 to 60 days are critical for ranking momentum. Finally, focus on reviews and customer experience. Make assembly easy, materials sturdy, and instructions